Just came out into the rain, came back. We're all good. My windows are closed. Back to the rain. Now let me get some motherfucking lightning. Like I saw a lightning strike come down like around here. And then there's like flickering in this area. But no loud noise, and that's what I'm trying to get. Come on now. Come to Papa. Baby. Come on. Give me some lightning. Man. Freaking rain is slowing down. Gay. And what the hell was up with that chick fucking looking at my car? Like, what the fuck? I was like, no, you're not trying to break into my car and the motherfucking storm when I'm sitting right here looking at your dumb ass. And then she runs out there like, oh, no! Yeah. Like, okay, we hear the fucking thunder. Give me... God damn it. Boom! Got some motherfucking lightning. Now can we get another one? Can we get another one? Can we get another one? Silence. Fucking rain still slows down. Ain't nothing going on. Oh damn! Did you see that? Hold on. It's coming. Alright, there's some thunder. Let's see if we can get some lightning because it's happening over here, dude, like crazy. Come on. Show it again. I'm having a freaking blast doing this. Come on now. But like, nah, that was gay. It can be louder. There was one like maybe like 20 minutes ago. It was fucking loud as shit, like bad. It was so loud I jumped out my couch. Come on, man. Get some lightning. Yes. Boom! Woo! Number 2. I think you even get a glimpse of it too. Damn. Number 3. Come on now. Number 3. Did you guys see that shit? It was like right there, dude. It came down. See if it'll do it again. I think the rain is starting to come back. Alright, hold on. I'm gonna stop and go for another video.